Nilesh Sathe, former IRDAI member. Gentlemen, thank you so much for joining in. Mr. Sathe, let me come to you. I want to take up the contentious issue first of breaking up the agent network. Again, our colleague Yash's latest source-based inputs indicate that abhi thoda pause hai us pe. Earlier, it started becoming it would have been a massive change if insurance agents could be selling policies across multiple insurers. But I think there was some pushback from LIC for obvious reasons. So that's, I think, on hold for now. But your thoughts on whether this is a big reform that we are pushing back?
In my view, this is not the time to have open architecture for insurance agents. I will tell you the reasons for that. One is the number of agents that we have even today is only 25 lakhs. Considering the insurable population, we know that the penetration of insurance is pretty low. Considering the insurable population, if we consider it 75 crore, 25 lakhs is too small a number to cater to these 300 per agent number which comes to. This number has to go up. One, it gives self-employment. And second is the mis-selling which is happening because there is a lack of understanding of the products by the customers, that may go down. So the question is, should open architecture, as is allowed in case of mutual fund, be allowed in case of insurance? In my view, no. I'll give you the reasons for that. There is a risk of mis-selling going to increase because any company which is giving higher rate of commission, there will be a tendency of agents to sell those products. There will be a loss of accountability as well because one agent may be doing good business for one company, but if he is found doing wrong things in other company, he will have to be terminated by both. So this is going to be a complex issue. Training challenges are also there. See, today there are almost 70 insurance companies, life, general and health together. If I am allowed to sell products of any insurance company, is it not necessary that I should be adequately trained for all the products of all the 70 insurance companies? That's going to be a big challenge again. So without training, if I'm selling a product just because I am likely to get higher commission, that is also not good. So this is a product
But sir, the counter argument could be that at some point in time the industry has to mature, and insurance has been, even the mutual fund journey. And then the regulator is going out there trying to segregate distributors from independent financial advisors, the IFA community or the RIA community. So reform is a process. You have to start at some point, right?
Yes. So what has been started? An insurance agent is allowed to sell products of one life, one general, and one health insurance companies. This has already happened. Corporate agents are allowed to sell products of 9 life, 9 general, and 9 health insurance companies. There is one intermediary called IMF. He is allowed to sell products of 3 life, 3 non-life, and 3 general insurance companies. So it's not that changes are not happening. Right? If at all a person is so ambitious that he can sell products of all the 70 insurance companies, he should take brokership. That option is also available.
Okay.
The question is, and this is transition which is going on. I'm not saying it is bad. It is good in some of the countries like Singapore, Australia, it is allowed.
Sure.
But the question is the market matured enough to have open architecture in insurance? Of insurance and investment. See, mutual fund products are investment products, but these are quite complex products.